Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop desktop icon moving in Windows and PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to stop desktop icons moving in Windows and PC or laptop, so very easy. First right click, after click on personalize, after click on themes, and here option desktop icon settings. Here option allow themes to change desktop icon, so uncheck this box. After click on apply, click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to stop desktop icons moving in Windows PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.